Good morning everyone, welcome to Bangkok again. This morning we're in the local streets amongst the canals near where we're staying, near the Bangkok metro station. The plan is we're going for some food, some breakfast. There's so many little street food stands around here, so I know we're going to be able to find something. And pretty much we're just going to wing it and just see what there is. Yeah, this area is just so cool, I love it. So chilled out. Yeah, so let's go. Pretty much as soon as I knocked the camera off there, we just saw this little shop that sells coffee. Okay, coconut cab. And that lovely lady just rustled us up. An iced coffee with about 100 millilitres of condensed milk in. 30 baht. That's so good. It was just essentially an espresso made over condensed milk, poured over ice. Well good. So we'll see what's down here. Yeah, as you can see where we're staying, there's all kinds of stuff. Ani alai ka?
ข้าวเม่าไก่เป็นกล้วยบานาน่า
Gai. Oh, banana.
ไส้เป็นบานาน่า
Ao nung cup. What is it? A fried banana?
Yeah.
Fried sweet banana. What's that stuff with it?
Not sure.
I'll have to ask him. 20
ครับ
And Ani?
เป็นแป้งกะทิกับแป้งมะพร้าวกะทิกับแป้ง
I don't know what it is. Like a little cracker.
นี่จะออกเป็นหวาน
Okay. Coconut cup.
ๆด้วยครับ
We were going for some. What's going on?
And it's like in it, I think they say.
Ah, okay, delicious. Aloy. Coconut cup. Aloy. Yeah, just grab some of these little sweet sausages from that lovely bloke there. We're going for some hainanese chicken rice, but we're shut. We'll see if we can find another place.
It's banana.
What do you do? Just eat it with that? Oh, it's warm still. It's like a deep fried banana fritter. Wow. That is so good. That's crack. I don't know what this. Oh, it's so gooey. What's this floss? 20 baht for two. Very bad for you, but delicious.
Coconut.
Maybe a little bit, yeah. Sawadi krab. Oh, it's our friend. Oh, he's coming back for a handshake.
Hello. How are you?
Sawadi mai krab. Have a nice day.
Delicious.
Yeah, there hasn't been one day he hasn't ridden past us on that bike, stopped, turned around and give us a handshake. He's an absolute legend around here. Yeah, that's so good.
Did you look? It's like a banana, and then around it is like coconut, and it's deep fried.
Wow.
Delicious, so sweet.
Oh, that's the cutest dog ever. Success, we found some khao mangai, which is hainanese chicken and rice dish, originating from Hainan. It looks absolutely delicious. So we've got half just boiled chicken with the skin on, and then half crispy chicken with the crispy batter on the outside. Chicken blood cakes, and then these sauces, and then a side soup. So the rice is cooked in chicken fat, so it should be super full of flavour. We haven't tried this yet. So I drizzle these on. Just get some of that all over there. A little bit of the sweeter. Spicy sauce, that's really good. And then yeah, let's try the blood cake first, 'cause I've never tried a... we don't have blood cake like this in the UK. We have black pudding, but... Really strange taste, that. Good. It's like jelly like. Hello. Which should I try first? I'll try some of the crispy chicken, eh?
It's really nice taste, even though the texture's different.
There's a little bit of in it. Like. It's so satisfying. It's like mini battered fried chicken, pieces of leg. You can essentially ask for any part of the chicken you want. I'll show you on the way out. But this is like, it's a super little local spot in the Zoe was staying. Got the TV on. Pictures of the king. What more do you want? I'll just try some of the boiled chicken. To get some skin as well. Some of that rice. A bit in the sauce. Oh, in fact. What have we got here? A few green chilies. Now you might be thinking boiled chicken sounds bland, yeah. Let's find out. Very satisfying. Them green chilies, pretty hot. Tasty though. I mean, this is the winner though, this crispy chicken is so good. And that sauce is delicious. How much are these? How much are these? I'll tell you how much on my pay, but... Oh! I forgot about the side broth. There's also something in here. What is this? Bitter melon, winter melon. Sorry, I don't know. It smells good. It's really tasty. It's just like a clear broth. A little bit of flavour though. You can taste the coriander in there. That's a really good dish, that. Not bland at all. There's also some sort of like soy sauce you could put on if you wish. Right, let's tuck in and finish this. The rice is really good too, it's not like plain. We cook it in the chicken fat.
How's Thailand? Super beautiful.
สวยมาก
สวย
ข้าม
าว ก
ประเทศไทย
สวยมากเหรอ
สวยมาก
แล้วไปที่ไหนมั่งไปปะแก้วไปยัง
Oh, I don't understand, sorry.
ยังเหรอตรงเนี่ย
Tonmai?
ได้ถ่าย
Okay. So here are the chickens hanging in the windows, and usually they're just open, so as you walk past you can see. And you can just pick any part of the chicken. And then we've got the blood cake, the congealed chicken blood cakes, and then he just chops it here. The crispy chicken's there. Absolutely delicious. Kokum maka. Thank you. Hello, Mark. Goodbye. That was super tasty. Really tasty, really good. Yeah, there's just loads of little shops on this street. Next door's a tea shop, tea and coffee again. And there's various different bits up and down the little side streets. That were well tasty, they were only 50 baht, hasib baht. Which is a cracking price, it was a massive, that'd fill you up, that'd be like a complete breakfast. Obviously in Thailand, though, no food is ever enough, you always want another dish, but... Yeah, let's try and grab something else. So here we have my very first radna. Oh, I did it quite well. I can't really roll my R's.
Radna.
Now this is a special dish. Get a close up on this. So it's a Thai Chinese wide rice noodle dish in this thick pork gravy that, dare I say, it's snotty. In fact, yeah, very snotty. With Chinese broccoli and like, looks like a big piece of pork. Now let's garnish this first. We've got some of these. Chili vinegar, isn't it? Come on. And then we'll also throw some dried chili flakes in. And there's also salt, some of the vinegar. Should I throw a few of these in? You need to throw these in?
Yeah.
Why not? Yeah, so essentially it's thickened up with tapioca starch. Take a look at that. Way. Yeah, never tried it. And where are the white rice noodles? Let's try and have a look at it. Let's try the gravy first. So it's like a thick, snotty pork gravy. Oh god, it tastes so good. But the texture's really strange. Not bad by any means, but and you can see they're like wide rice noodles with. They looked a bit toasty as well. I don't know how they've cooked these. Oh, pretty tasty actually. Try some pork as well. It's very heavy though. This dish would make you feel a bit. You'd be stuffed after this. Nice soft, big flat pieces of pork. Chinese broccoli. Try some of that. Well, that is a pretty good tasty dish. It's only 50 baht and you get a pretty big portion. Look at that.
Try the pork first.
Yeah, so it's like mucousy.
Thanks for saying that. So I put it in that.
It's not
It's
bad.
really nice though.
Just for a Western of that texture, most people would probably be off put by that. But I think it's quite good. In fact, it's delicious. You can definitely tell the Chinese influence on the dish though, can't you? Yes, it's quite sweet as well.
It is quite sweet.
I guess maybe we should throw some more of these in. Maybe some more chilli.
Yeah. It's delicious though. The pork's really.
Really soft, yeah. Nice thin cut. And everywhere we go, you also get like a big jug of water. And then if you ask for a glass of ice, just drink the water. So here we go, this is the spot. Coconut crab. You can see them cooking away. It's really good. That was only 35 baht. I thought it was going to be 50 or 60. 35 baht for that massive dish. Okay, we've got some red roast duck. That looks so good as well. I think that's a different spot. They're doing omelettes and stuff. 35 baht. That's like less than a pound. That's a massive bowl. Wow. Yeah, some guy had some rad now with like crispy fried egg noodles on it. Looked like as well. That looked really good. So much shit. Ah, sawadee krab. How are you?
Manchester.
Sabai di mai krab. Oh, Manchester.
Manchester. Sit down.
Oh, Pong Ni.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow, yeah.
Have a nice day. Coconut crab. So that place is really good if you're ever here near the Bangkok metro station. We went there the other day. They do that huge 5-spice pork knuckle, pork leg soup thing with the boiled eggs in, and they also do, it's like a yellow curry with Chinese sausage over rice, like potato curry. It's so good. So yeah, that's that. This area is so good near the Bangkok metro. It's super local Bangkok, chilled out, everyone's super friendly. Yeah, I can smell it. Is it here? Do you want to get one?
Yeah.
What's he got? So there's a little tea stand we see every day here, like he makes fresh tea and coffee. Yes, this area is so good. There's pretty much like hardly any Falang here at all. It's like just a local Thai area. So we might get one of these. If not, I'll see when we get something later on. Oh, there we go. So here's the menu all in Thai. pretty much. If you know what you want, you can get it. Otherwise, just guess on point. Open cab. Look at that for a little stand. That's who you want to be supporting out here in Bangkok. Put your Starbucks and your Cafe Amazons in the bin. How can you not buy from the little old man? Yeah. 20 baht, you sit back. It's incredible stuff. We can't not have one of these every day. It's like the impossible job to, when you see something like that, to not get one.
Oh, that's nice.
That's one of the best ones we've had.
So sweet.
Buddy cab. So guys, if you come to Bangkok, I highly recommend just jumping on the metro or any public transport and just getting off somewhere outside the city centre. We've not even been to like the very centre of the city. And just jumping off in a neighbourhood like this and just having a wander around exploring. I can guarantee you the people will be super friendly and you'll find loads of hidden gems. Some guy on the main road then even just came up to us, stopped, shook our hand and just wanted to have a conversation. Just asking us what we're doing here, blah blah. So yeah, the people of Thailand are incredible. So far they've been nothing but kind and generous. So we're back at our favourite place near where we're staying, the Tonmai Chaikha food market. Just grab some quick snacks and hopefully we're going to get a main meal, but well, I don't know what to start with. So to start, there was on the street a man grilling these absolutely delicious looking sausages. I think they're Bangkok Is. That's what a lady told me. And yeah, they look good. Let's just try one. And today we got some, I think it's pickled ginger. Oh yeah. Raw cabbage. And Thai chilies. Wow. They are phenomenal. So fragrant. Lemongrass. Spicy themselves. There's fermented pork. There's a bit of sticky rice in them as well. They're super. Nice and spicy. And these look to be the star of the show. So a lady was, well, she was frying pork. Look how good that looks. Can you see that shining? She was frying them fresh right there. There was a huge wok just simmering. Oh, and then we've got this, it looks to be super hot dipping sauce. Let's have a dip in there. That's got to be one of the greatest things on the earth, that. Wow. Really crispy shell, but then so fatty on the inside. The fat's flavour. Some bits are crunchier than others. That is perfect. And these were 12 baht a skewer, and the sausage was 22 a sausage, but it's quite big. I think we'll grab a main meal in a minute. So this little spot we've come to right now is pretty much a stone's throw from the room, just down the street. It's a super local spot. Check this place out. It's literally 4 stands, and we've just got some quick simple dishes from them at the end. I'll show you on the way out. It's really good, this place. I've got a pad khao moo with minced pork. We've actually got the khao, the fried egg this time. And Alicia just got the simple pork, stir-fried pork and garlic. And they both look so good. I don't know how much we'll see.
I can't wait to dig into this, I'm so hungry.
I'll dig into that while I put this chilli on my pad khao. Give that egg a whack.
Oh wow. Thank you.
Really good. Classic Thai fried egg.
The best bit.
Delicious.
In the middle. Gooey.
Let's throw these on. So these are just chilies and fish sauce. Let's put the egg on the top. Oh shit, I dropped chilli on my own. Give it a whack. Delicious stuff. Yeah, so let's give it a go. See if it's any spicy. Ask for it, pet. Oh yeah, you can see the red chilies are running through that big time. Oh, it's so good. Sometimes you can't just beat a meal over rice like this. Fried egg super soft, gooey in the middle, creamy. Outside and bottom, nice and crisp. Just what you want. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good. Thai holy basil running through that. Oh wow, that's delicious that. And the lady's lovely, she gave us we got some waters. And she came over and said no. She emptied them out and like refilled them with the ice water. People around this area, I've said it a lot, but they're so nice.
Let's hope that it's filtered water because you have a 7-hour bus tomorrow.
Shit, yeah. I think it'll be filtered water. We've not got ill yet, touch wood, off anything.
That is really jinxing it.
Yeah, tomorrow we're off to somewhere brand new, a far-flung destination here in Thailand. You'll see very soon. So I think that's it. Good night. So this is the spot. Delicious. We will come again. See the spot. All the menus are all in Thai, no English. And yeah, absolutely delicious. What a spot, look at it. Just a little hall with like 4 different food vendors. Just grabbed a quick little Yakult, which will fix any potential belly problem you might have just before we spend a full day tomorrow sat on a bus. Love it. Now I actually forgot to say, I never mentioned, so the food we just had came to 40 baht each, 40 Thai baht, less than £1, and it's like what, 70 US cents or something, 80 cents, which is ridiculous price because it's a massive portion, and we got a khao fried egg. Ridiculous, that is so cheap and such good quality, just like home cooked, just stir fried food. That is ridiculous. This area of Bangkok is so cheap. You can't go wrong anywhere, literally. What a place. Safe to say we're loving it. But yeah, good night.